interest rate interest rate 名词利率
Due to such low interest rates, students generally choose to borrow the maximum.
Parking permit parking permit 名词停车许可证
Admission is free, but there is a $10 fee for a one-day parking permit.
Retail space retail space 名词零售空间零售店铺
The new shopping mall features up to 80,000 square meters of retail space.
Safety inspection safety inspection 名词安全检查
The assembly plant will be closed next Friday for the annual safety inspection.
Expiration date expiration date 名词有效日期
In the email, you will find a preset password and the expiration date of your membership.
Reference letter reference letter 名词推荐信
Applicants need to provide a resume as well as 3 reference letters.
Expansion project expansion project 名词扩展计划
The 2-year expansion project will double the train station's capacity.
Stock market stock market 名词股市
Most stock market investors were confident that the economy was not headed for a recession.
Exchange rate exchange rate 名词汇率
You'll get a better exchange rate with credit cards than at a foreign currency exchange.
Health department health department 名词卫生部门
The health department requires that the restaurant owner improve its sanitary condition within 2 months.
Assembly line assembly line 名词组装线生产线
All work on the assembly line stopped due to the power failure.
Prescription medication prescription medication 名词处方药物
The pilot's overuse of prescription medication contributed to the accident.
Savings account savings account 名词储蓄账户
Your monthly payment will be deducted automatically from your savings account.
Floor plan floor plan 名词楼层配置楼层平面图
Buyers have 5 to 8 different floor plans to choose from in each community.
Award ceremony award ceremony 名词颁奖典礼
The company's annual award ceremony will be held on October 15th.
Satisfaction survey satisfaction survey 名词满意度调查
We will discuss the results of our customer satisfaction survey at today's meeting.
Construction site construction site 名词建筑工地
The architect insisted that she visit the construction site in person to check up on the progress.
Quality control quality control 名词品质管理
All our products go through strict quality control to reduce possible defects.
Market share. Market share. 名词，市占率。
Last year, our company's market share of wireless devices soared from 4% to 12%.
Parking meter. Parking meter. 名词，停车表。
The city plans to invest more than $100,000 in credit card parking meters.
Tourist attraction. Tourist attraction. 名词，观光景点。
I suggest taking a bus tour to enjoy the city's best tourist attractions.
Press release. Press release. 名词，新闻稿。
The corporation issued a press release this morning on the incident.
Return policy. Return policy. 名词，退货政策、退货规定。
According to our return policies, products can only be returned within 3 months.
Sales figures. Sales figures. 名词，销售数据。
The manager is more than satisfied with the sales figures for the past quarter.
Reception counter. Reception counter. 名词，接待柜台。
Customers complained the reception counter was unattended when they needed assistance.
Unemployment rate. Unemployment rate. 名词，失业率。
The unemployment rate has fallen from a high of 9.3% last December to 5.5% now.
Registration form. Registration form. 名词，报名表格。
Registration forms are available on our website, along with submission requirements.
Benefits package. Benefits package. 名词，福利待遇。
The union has been negotiating with the management for improvements in the benefits package.
Retirement plan. Retirement plan. 名词，退休规划。
The organization helps to design retirement plans based on one's personal needs.
Department head. Department head. 名词，部门主管。
All department heads are required to be present at this week's interdepartmental staff meeting.
Yo， 听到这个音乐就代表这期影片当中的30个多益必考单字算是复习完毕啦。还记得我们从 Ebbinghaus 的遗忘曲线中所得出来的结论吗？与其一次长时间死命的背很多单字，倒不如运用每天琐碎的时间观看影片，将复习中间间隔的时间缩短，观看次数的频率拉高，才能提高记忆单字的效率哦。那如果觉得影片内容对你有所帮助的话，也请帮我按赞、订阅、留言、分享，让 YouTube 演算法知道这是一支值得推广的影片。好，这期影片到此就算差不多啦。我是 Parker， 这是帕克英文，我们下期影片再见啦，拜。